If your brother printer shows this message, drum, slide the green tab on drum unit. Here's what it really means. You probably cleaned the drum unit, but forgot to return the green tab to its home position. This green tab cleans the corona wire inside the drum, but if it's left anywhere other than the home position, the printer will show this error, and your printouts will have a long black line from top to bottom of the page. To fix it, simply remove the drum and toner assembly. Slide the green tab all the way back to the left until it locks in the home position. Then reinstall the drum and toner into your printer. That's it. The error will disappear, and your print quality will be perfect again. That's it. The error is gone, and your brother printer works perfectly again. If this video helped you, please support our channel by subscribing to Tech Fix Everythings. Your support really means a lot. It helps us keep growing and creating more helpful videos about printer repair, toner troubleshooting, photocopy maintenance, and many other DIY tips for everyone. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this community.